Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how you can upload videos on TikTok from your PC, laptop or web browser. In my last video, I have talked about how you can log into your TikTok account by using your web browser. So in this video, we will see how you can just upload video from your web browser to TikTok account. Let's begin. Before that, please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification so that you can know about our latest update. Now let's begin. You can see in the right side upload video, this one. For that, you have to log into your account. So this is our account and let's upload a video. Tap on it. So after tapping on that, you will see you will come to this page where you will find these things. First of all, you need to select the file. While it is being uploaded, let's write the captions, cover and other things which are required for uploading. Even you can upload without writing, but the best thing is if you want your video to be on the top, you have to add the captions and description to your video. And your videos might get good ranking on TikTok. You can see our video is uploaded. Now after writing the description or adding the cover, now let's select the cover one. You can see our video is uploaded here. This is how you can easily post videos from your web browser PC to your TikTok account instantly. Hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.